Welcome to a quick video about Insane SUV Crash Compilations 2020. Okay, more shocking than the crash is the song that this person is listening. Talk about taste. This accident was caught on tape by the dealership surveillance camera, where a police SUV lost control and smashed into parked cars. Unfortunately, all cars were completely destroyed, but luckily no one was injured. This actually looks like a great scene from an action movie. Starring the uncontrollable police car. Sadly, nobody will be buying that SUV anymore. I'm sure that officer must be having a pretty bad day. Talk about extreme racing. That's why I say no to racing in your neighborhood. It always ends up bad. This is a clear case of confusion when your GPS says left and you accidentally take a right. And you end up going nowhere. Did he actually think he would make it? I mean, what was this guy thinking? Clearly he was not thinking at all. Maybe this equation must be going in his mind when he made this decision. Anyways, I'm just glad nobody was seriously injured. Here's another one, when you drive with your eyes closed and you expect nothing crazy would ever happen, and then you realize you messed up, but then it's just too late to go back. These are some of the worst drivers I've ever seen. I mean, how are these guys even driving on the streets? It's just crazy. Anyways, I'm sure they learned their lesson. Or maybe not. Talk about finding the best parking spot. This video actually made it to the news, where a driver actually crashed his car on a roof. Luckily the roof was top quality and didn't take down the house. I'm sure he must be thinking, this is not my house? Or how did he even get here? They actually had to bring a crane to take the car down. Hopefully he reaches his real home safe and sound.
There's PE coming through red.
Okay, before we move forward, I can tell you guys that this guy completely overreacted to this situation and completely freaked out. Now let's watch.
He's gonna hit him! Oh my god! Hang on, baby!
All the dogs.
You okay?
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
See, now you believe me? Clearly this person just did not want to hit the brakes, even when he saw he was about to crash into a cafe. I think he was really in a rush to order his Happy Meal, as he quickly got out of the car and ran to the takeout window. I mean, seriously? Anyways, I feel sorry for the people working inside, since they had to go through all this shit just because of this idiot driver. Luckily, no one was seriously hurt, and they all walked away from this. Here's another example of people driving with their eyes closed.
Ни хрена, блядь.
I'm just done with this world, guys. Okay, I don't know what he was doing, but this guy has to be the world's unluckiest human being. I actually feel sorry for him. Ouch, that's gotta hurt. Okay, this looks like two cars fighting with each other, but this Mercedes driver went on a rampage and tried to take the whole hospital down. I don't know what just got into this person as he tried running over everything. Clearly he wasn't fond of the doctors there. This Hummer was going so fast that he thought he would just go through the truck in front of him. Luckily, we believe in reality. Here's another example of when you think you are part of a movie and you can do anything. But reality is that you're just in your shitty life and nothing ever goes according to plan. But I gotta say, the way they recovered and ran away from the crime scene is pretty impressive. Seems like they were running away from the cops. Okay, this is another great example of when you're going full speed and Google tells you that your destination is on the left.
You've arrived at your destination.
Okay guys, this is why I don't trust self-driving cars. Watch closely as this SUV takes a U-turn and a Tesla coming straight ahead at 100 miles per hour fails to brake on time and smashes into the SUV. Luckily, authorities were on spot to help the victims. Anyways, stay safe and drive carefully everyone, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. Thank you.